Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is May the 13th, and I'm using my brand new Master Scalper trading system. This system has the scalper, that's this blue and red line right here. We have the goal line. We have this moving average dotted line right here. I use that for helping me to get to exit the trade. Then we have oscillating indicators down here at the bottom. And of course we have the arrows, the super signal. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer, right where this vertical line is. I'm looking at all the different instruments, and I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time right now. It's an expert advisor. It shows me from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, whether it's up or down. Sometimes it's flat. And in the comments, after it does all the calculations, makes suggestions for either look for bullish, look for bearish. Sometimes it's preferred, and sometimes could be waiting for clear direction. Now, if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. Now, of course, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can take a look at some of these trades. First one is the pound CAD. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything was in perfect condition according to my trading rules, even qualified for a great way to trade. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out at this cursor, locking in 13 pips, and that ended up paying out $95. Also, many of these indicators, they're all my custom indicators, and if you have the alert turned on, you'll get an audio sound, and you'll get this pop-up box here suggesting either to buy or to sell. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade the right way, and you understand how to check out the daily trade plan. You understand how to use it, and eventually the light bulb will go off and you'll start to find success. Remember, you will need support to succeed at trading, along with a lot of education, of course. Now, you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you will still struggle to succeed at trading. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, Euro Yen. Here we go. Another one I wanted to be buying, taken directly from my daily trade plan. And of course, everything was looking perfect, qualified for a great way to trade. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at, right here at this cursor. Remember, the little cursor is blue, so blue we're buying, and of course if it's red, it means we're selling, and you'll see that on one example here on the DAX 30. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 20 pips, and that paid out $134. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the pound yen. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one I wanted to be buying from the daily trade plan. Everything looked perfect. I knew with 95% certainty I had a winner. So got in at that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in looks like 23 pips, and those pips paid out $147. Okay, moving on to the Dow Jones. Another one I bought. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up. Everything again looking perfect. And it did qualify for a great way to trade. Should have got out up here, but this is where I saw it. Now did one more little push up, and now it's working its way down. But I closed it out here, just being happy. I took the money, divided by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 30. There it is right there. 30 ticks, paying out $150. Moving along to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one I wanted to be buying. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn all the secrets to trading, and of course that's exactly what I teach. Here we go. Now euro dollar does pay $10 for each pip, and looking at the money, well, this should be 17, so let's go and look for that 17. There it is right there, 17 pips, paying out $170. Moving on to the next trade, pound dollar, which is exactly the same. They're correlated. Along with the euro dollar, you buy one, you buy the other. And because USD is on the right hand side, pays $10 for each pip. So on this pound dollar, easy to see, this should be 18. So let's drag and drop this up. There we go. Easy decision to make to buy. And looking for that 18 pips, and there it is right there, 18 pips, paying out $180. Moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold also pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks. Looking at the money, it should be 20, actually 20.4. So wanted to be buying it. Let's drag and drop this up. Here we go. Got in at this cursor, and I knew with 95% certainty it was going to go up, and up it went, and producing those 20. We'll forget about the 0.4, so let's just round it to 20, and that paid out $204. Okay, moving on to crude oil. It's another one that pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, should be 29 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up. Everything looking good. Couldn't ask for trading to be any easier than this. What did I say? 29. Actually, if I was in the trade right now, I'd be up around 57. But I was happy with the 29, and there it is right there. 29 ticks, paying out $290. Okay, let's move on to this DAX 30. Here we go, on the DAX 30. Wanted to be selling. Here's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything was looking good for going down. Took the trade right here, went mostly sideways, and then just like I knew it was going to drop, there it did, dropped. Took the money and divided it by 3.75, as it pays $3.75 for each tick. So from here, so the calculator says it should be 160. And I did drop it down to the 5 minutes to try to get a reading. 160. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show even on the 5 minutes. But it is 160 ticks, paying out $600. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is Russell. Here we go. Another one I wanted to be buying. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So another one qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach according to the rules within the training videos. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Again, trading is easy if you know how to trade. Let's see now on the Russell. Looking at the money, and it pays $10 for each tick. Well, this should be 71, so let's go and look for that 71. There it is. My mouse is acting up, but anyhow, it's 71 ticks, paying out $710. So another great day of trading. Great way to start off the week using my brand new master scalper. Just to let you know that some traders have been asking what's the difference between one of my systems and the previous one. Well, I changed something on the top, I changed something on the bottom. That changes the way you have to enter the trade, manage the trade, close the trade. And every time I add something new, the system is a little bit better. So in other words, each new system I do and produce is a little bit better than the system before that. And of course, if you're not finding success within, let's say, 2 months, no later than 3 months, and that is why I change my system every 3 months, and that's why you should be upgrading to a newer and improved, better system. And after a certain number of systems and a certain amount of time, could be 6 months, could be a year, after a certain period of time and getting your hands on a few systems, you really should find success, especially if you can pick up the phone or go on Skype and ask questions. In other words, without support, you're still going to struggle. If you have any questions on what I just said, well, just get in contact with me. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks. Grand total was 401, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,681. Now, if you have any questions, just get in contact with me. Now, to do that, it's quite simple. All you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner and the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another window. You'll get my contact information with a lot of other information. Now, you can pick up the phone and call me directly. In almost 20 years of trading, that's virtually impossible to find somebody, and that is why it took me 8 years, is actually more than 8 years, and about 700 systems and packages before I found success. So, not trying to scare you, but there's a reason why 95% of the traders out there fail. They don't get enough education, and a lot of the traders out there who get education, they won't even do the homework. If you don't do the homework, you're going to fail. Now, another way to get in contact with me is you can send me an email. Now, I do prefer Skype. I made a link. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have Skype connection, and through Skype, I will be able to answer your questions. Now, also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. Remember what I said. You're going to need a lot of education. You should be getting your hands on a lot. Now, I do charge $250 for each package. And of course, I made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. Of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.